Hello everyone. Um, Welcome to this new playlist related to TestNG. So if you are learning automation testing with Java and Selenium, right? TestNG is one of the most important frameworks you need to master, right? In real industry projects, TestNG is widely used to manage test execution, organize test cases, and generate reports and handle parallel executions and build scalable automation frameworks, right? So in this playlist we are not going to learn only the theory of TestNG. We are going to learn how TestNG is actually used in automation, right? So we will start from the basic step by step, right? So first we will understand so what is TestNG, right? What is TestNG? Then why TestNG become popular compared to JUnit, right? Then how to configure TestNG in Maven project, right? So in other tutorials also I have mentioned what is Maven and the importance of Maven, so on so on. So we will install TestNG to Maven. Then how to create the execute so how to create and execute the TestNG test, right? Okay, then we need to uh, discuss kind of theories, right? Like TestNG annotations, right? TestNG annotations, then assertions, assertions, then priorities and dependency. You can say dependency and priority, priorities, right? Then TestNG parameterization, right? TestNG parameterization. Then the most important part is data providers, data provider annotation, right? Then parallel execution, then parallel execution, then groups, right? What are the groups in TestNG? Then listeners, right? uh, then retry mechanism, retry mechanism, then reporting, right? uh, then real framework integration, real framework integration. So at that moment I will use Selenium as well, right? um, so even if you are a beginner, don't worry, I will explain concepts right from the foundation level. Then if you are interested in becoming a strong automation engineer, then this playlist will definitely help you. So make sure to follow the playlist in order, because each lesson will build on the previous one. Okay,